to my YouTube channel. So here I've come up with another video. So it's like in this video we have in the last video we have seen that why do we need class and what is a class. Now I will show you the concept of object and how do we call a function inside a class, which is how do we basically call like how like I have formed this class for maths operation. Now if I want to call any of the function which is inside this class or any other variable which is inside this class, then how can I call it? I'll see that. For example, so for that, I need to create one object. An object can be of any name. Like I have here named here mm equals to maths operation. And here I have at m dot addition number. Here if we are written 1 and 2, then it will answer as 3. And if we will answer at m dot c, that what will it do? Will not do anything. Mm. So basically by using an object we can call the function which are present inside the class, and we can call this variable c. But I want to see that if there is another variable, then can we call it? Let me just see. If I had defined as d as 3 and then I am defining this first. So can I call c dot m dot 3 m dot d? No. Attribute error. I can't call that. Oh, got it. Similarly, I can call any other function like subtraction number, multiplication number, and division number. Okay. And yes, and then what else I do want to do? I want to make you understand the concept of yes. So we have seen that like here why were we not able to call this 6c function using the object, because it is made of a and b variable, and a and b variable are c is equals d is equals to 3, it will take, but we can call that d. For example, I can use here c is equals to a plus b plus d. Got it. I can use that. But if I want to call that d function, then I have to mention it here. I think now I can call it. Now I have to pass this. 1, 2, and then 6. And then if I will call m dot d, no, then also it will not, we will not be able to call that. Let me just ask ChatGPT about this. Can we call a variable defined inside a function of inside a method of a class outside the class? No variable defined inside the method of the class cannot be accessed directly. Why? Because it has locus, but only lives inside that method while that method is running. Got it? So how can you access this outside? Oh, which is certain is it an instant variable? Set dot x equals to return it from the method. For how can we access it outside? First, we can return it by the method, and next thing is we can say this as an instance variable. Then we can call it. How can we set an instant variable? Self dot x equals to 10. Got it? So here, if we had done this self dot d is equals to 3. One, two, we can call this by using an instant variable self dot d. One, two, got it. And also now we can, if we will call m dot d, then we will get this. So we can call a variable which is present inside the method by using the instance variable. Got it? But here we do not want to understand that how, so you have understood it now that we can call the method which is present inside the class, outside the class, and if we have defined a variable inside a class, then we can also call it. Now, I just want to show you one thing, like m self and f is equals to m dot sub number 2 and 1 and 2 minus 1 1, and then we have print f 1 2, and then print करना है f को, so it is able to print that f. Then we don't need to use cell dot everywhere, because here we have defined an instance variable. In what which variable is known as instance variable? Like if the variable is defined inside the argument of a method, then it is not an instance variable. But if we are creating it without defining it inside the argument of a method, then we'll call that instance variable. Got it? Think you have got it now. Now I'll show you that what is abstraction. Let me just clean up all this. You can take the screenshot of this if you want. I'll just quickly run this. One, two, three, and then we will define this. Now we have called this. एम से हम डायरेक्ट डी को कॉल नहीं कर सकते. वाई वी कांट कॉल डी directly m dot, but we were able to call that, right? M dot d. M dot addition number. Now can we call that? Yes, now we are able to, but we are not able to call it. So we cannot call it outside the function. So you have seen that first we had to call addition number function, then only we'll able to call deed variable outside the function. Otherwise, we'll not able to recall it. So we can say that we cannot call a method inside a function. फर्स्ट वी हैव टू कॉल दैट फंक्शन एंड देन वी हैव टू कॉल दैट वेरिएबल. मतलब पहले उस फंक्शन को कॉल करना, उस मेथड को कॉल करना पड़ेगा जिसमें कि वो वेरिएबल है. उसके बाद जब हम उस वेरिएबल को कॉल करेंगे तभी वो आउटपुट शो करेगा. अदरवाइज हमारे पास कोई तरीका नहीं है. हमें जो है ना, क्या कहते हैं, हमें अलग से डिफाइन करके उसको रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा. उस फंक्शन को वो रिटर्न कराना पड़ेगा तभी हम कर सकते हैं. तो नहीं कर सकते ना, मतलब बेसिकली. अब एक और चीज देखनी थी मुझे. Just let's return, restart colon and clear out all output of the cell. No, here we have to do some different thing. Here we have to do some different things. Now here, now I want to call, if they call that E, then can I call that? No, because to call that first we need to call the function sub number, then only we can call that, I think. There is no other way. And if it has is an instant variable, then also we cannot call it. लाइक अगर इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल को बार बार यूज करना हो तो सेल डॉट करना पड़ता है. बट नॉर्मल जैसे कि सब नंबर में ई वेरिएबल है, अगर इसको बार बार यूज करना हो तो सेल डॉट नहीं करना पड़ता. बेसिकली हम कर ही नहीं सकते हैं कॉल, मतलब. I call this. I call this. ये भी हो गया सारा। अब उसके बाद क्या करना है? उसके बाद मुझे एक चीज देखनी है कि क्या हम इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल को हर जगह यूज कर सकते हैं, और क्या हम ये जो डिफाइन किया वेरिएबल है इसको भी हर जगह यूज कर सकते हैं कि नहीं। सबसे पहले तो देखते हैं कि हम इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल को हर जगह, किसी भी एक इंस्टेंस के वेरिएबल को, मतलब उसी मेथड में यूज कर सकते हैं। तो हमने देख लिया, जैसे कि इसमें मैंने सेल्फ डॉट डी डिफाइन किया, तो मैं इसको इसमें तो यूज कर ही सकती हूँ। जिसको मैंने डिफाइन किया सेल्फ डॉट डी इज इक्वल्स टू 10। ठीक है, अब मैं क्या यहाँ पर भी यूज कर सकती हूँ कॉमा सेल्फ डॉट डी, तो इससे याद रहेगा। अब जैसे इसमें मैं डायरेक्ट ये वाला फंक्शन अगर कॉल करती हूँ मल अंडरस्कोर एन 2 3, नहीं कर पा रही। अगर ये उसका होता ना, मेरा कंस्ट्रक्टर का होता तो शायद कर लेती, बट ऐसे नहीं कर सकती। पर जैसे कि ये है, इसमें प्रिंट ई कराया है। एक चीज और देखनी है, तो अगर मैं इस ई को कहीं कॉल करना चाहूँ तो शायद कर सकती हूँ, या तो भी नहीं कर सकती हूँ। एम डॉट सेल्फ ई। ये सब एग्जीक्यूट करना छोड़ो, सीधा ये एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं ना। नहीं कर सकते हम, वी कांट यूज लाइक दिस। So that's what we have seen in this video, that how to call a function outside the class and how to call a variable outside the class. Basically, we can't call a variable which is defined in any method, चाहे वो आर्ग्यूमेंट के साथ डिफाइन किया हो, चाहे वो इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल हो। पर हम उसको, इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल क्या होता है अभी हमने देख लिया है सेल्फ में डिफाइन करके। जैसे मैंने सेल्फ डॉट इक्वल्स टू 10 लिख रखा है, तो ये इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल है। तो हमने इसमें ये देख लिया कि हम इसको कैसे डिफाइन करते हैं और होता क्या है। Now we'll meet in another session with another video. Until then, goodbye. Please do hit the like button and please do subscribe to my channel and please share the video as much as possible.